Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a really cool product that combines functionality and style. The U Laptop Stand Hub 8-in-1 USB-C docking station. If you are looking to enhance your workspace, you won't want to miss this. Let's check it out. So first, let's unbox our product. So now, as soon as you unbox the product, you get to see a type C to C cable for its power, a user manual, and the docking station itself. So just check out the fit and finish of this stand. So this works both as the laptop stand and the 8-in-1 docking station. So the cool thing about this stand is this can be removed in this way and can be used separately. No more need to carry the stand if you don't want. And if you want the stand itself, then you can just simply connect this in this way. So now let's keep this thing aside and talk about its power cable. The special thing about this power cable is not only it's type C to type C. That is, you get a turn off and turn on switch, so you don't need to regularly disconnect this cable from your laptop or any device you are using it. Now talking about the stand, so this stand comes in grayish color with silicone legs, and this product is completely made up of aluminium, and the height can be increased or decreased by moving the leg of the stand. Now let's talk about its feature. So it gets two type C ports. One is for the power and one is for transferring data. You get a HDMI port which gives 4K result. You get a micro SD slot and a micro SD card slot. You get two USB 3.0 and LAN cable for your network use. Now overall, the U laptop stand is a fantastic option for anyone looking to streamline their workspace. It combines style, versatility, and functionality in one net packaging. So now I hope you like this product. If you like this product, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments what you think about this product, or if you have any question related to it. Catch you in the next video. Till that, bye bye.